Whether it's morning or night, satisfying your sweet tooth is easy when you parfait every day. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to make 2 different parfaits using fresh, frozen, and canned fruit to help keep sugar cravings at bay: cereal and yogurt parfait and tropical fruit parfait. For the cereal and yogurt parfait, start by spooning a container of Chobani vanilla Greek yogurt into a 1-pint mason jar. Next, top with a 1/4 cup of fresh blueberries and 1 mandarin orange in 100% juice. You can instantly make your recipes better and brighter using canned fruit that's packed in its own juice or 100% juice. They're preserved at peak ripeness, often within hours of picking, locking in nutrition and flavor. You can cover and refrigerate overnight, and when you're ready to serve, top with 1 tablespoon of Hy-Vee sliced almonds and a 1/3 cup of 3 Wishes fruity cereal. Now for the tropical fruit parfait. Add a 1/2 cup of unsweetened coconut flakes and a 1/4 cup of Hy-Vee sliced almonds to a shallow baking sheet. Toast at 350 degrees for 4 to 6 minutes until lightly browned. In parfait glasses, add canned pineapple tidbits and pineapple juice, previously frozen unsweetened mango chunks, and fresh sliced strawberries. Top with Chobani Zero Sugar Key Lime Pie yogurt and the toasted coconut almond mixture. Chobani Zero Sugar is a creamy Greek yogurt with only 60 calories, no lactose, and 0 artificial sweeteners. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. Get healthcare news, dietitian recommendations, plus exclusive offers. Sign up for our Hy-Vee Health 360 monthly newsletter at Hy-Vee.com.